I'm just trying to step out in my comfort zone for real. I'm only dropping off.
I'm back from Savers and I bought way too much. Got a whole bag full and more. So Savers doesn't have fitting rooms open, at least the one I went to, so I haven't tried any of this on. So it's all kind of just going off of if I think it looks cool and will look good. So let's see how they look. Alright, this first one was an easy buy for me. This is totally my style, and I've kind of honestly been looking for something like this for a little while. So it's like a cropped, I don't know, like dress shirt? I don't really know, like sweater shirt. I'm not knowledgeable enough to know this exact type of shirt, but it's super comfy and it's beautiful brown color. Yeah, that was $6.50. Pretty good price for that. So yeah, that's the first one I got. I love it. This next one is probably one of my favorites that I found today. This dope red jacket. Can I read it? It's nice and thin, almost like a rain jacket material, and it's just in great condition. Definitely looks vintage. It's kind of oversized fit, but also a long shirt, but yeah, it's super pretty. Yeah, it's a great one. This was $7.50. Alright, this one I thought was great for Halloween. It's Treehouse of Horrors, Simpsons. And it's just super soft and nice, like tie-dye look. So this one is probably gonna go right onto my shop because of Halloween. So that's definitely for sale. It's super cute. And I got this one for $7.29. It's great. It's a really comfy shirt. Yeah, I might wear this one a couple times before I sell it, but it's cute. This one is also super cute. Very edgy. It's super soft. It's this really pretty like camo print. Yeah, it's like an overshirt, but it's so flowy and soft. Like it's a very unique piece. I like this one a lot. And this was $4.99, which is actually pretty cheap for Savers with their button-up shirts. Okay, this one is insane. This is definitely like a throwback. I used to buy shirts like this all the time, like with this exact style. Oh, that's just beautiful. Beautiful gray pattern. Look at that. Gorgeous. Gorgeous. This is super comfy and warm. It's super good find. Very dad vibes. Let's see, how much was this one? It was... This one was $7.99. It's a pretty good price for that. It's super cute. And this one is actually going to be, I think, part of my Halloween costume. It's the Utah State Aggies champion. Little sport shirt. So yeah, when I make my Halloween costume video, I'll probably have this shirt as part of it, but I'm going to keep the rest of the costume hidden for now. That's super cute though. Even for after Halloween, I'm probably still gonna wear this. And this was $10, which like, if it wasn't for my Halloween costume, I probably wouldn't have bought it for that much, but it's cute. So, and it's for Halloween, so too. Alright, this one is definitely the most girly piece I got today. It's super cute, like this thin little cardigan. This is another piece that I've actually been like looking for online. Almost bought something just like this for much more. This one was $4.50, which is a great price for that shirt. It's super soft and comfy. Beautiful green color. Yeah, that was a great find. Very cute. And the next thing I bought are these pants, which I found these in the boys section. So they're only $2 because I'm lucky enough to be able to shop the children's section because it's way cheaper and some of it actually fits me better. So these are, I think, like size 12 or something. It's just beautiful camo, and these are actually Wrangler. It says somewhere. Yeah, it says somewhere on there. There's the Wrangler tag. So for $2, like that's probably my best purchase of the day. Like thrift wise. These are insane. Yeah, these I'm definitely gonna wear the crap out of these. I Next, these pants, gorgeous rose pattern. They are velvet, super soft. They're like velvet leggings. Beautiful print. These were $5.50, so I bought these in the women's section. So cute though. So definitely a good winter find for me. Last pants I got are these like cheetah print flare pants. They're very comfy. They're very like 2000 look, which is super in style right now. Which like I bet I had a pair of these when I was in kindergarten and I thought they were ugly, so bringing them back. Those were $2, so those are also women's section, but that's actually a good price for them. So those are gonna be great to style with. Super excited to wear these. All right, then the last item I have is probably the best thrift find I've found in a while, if not ever. Like, this is incredible. Look at this. Oh, who is she? Gorgeous. Gorgeous. So this is genuine leather, and it's got the hoodie, and it's just so warm and soft and just classy. That is super cute. So this one I'm probably going to list for sale as well on my shop. So I'm not going to tell you how much I bought it for, but it was $10. But this is just gorgeous. This is probably best thrift find of the day, if not in my lifetime. It's just, look at that. It's beautiful. So that is my Savers thrift haul, and it was an amazing shopping trip. I found some great finds that I cannot wait to wear, and a lot of these are going to be available in my shop on Curtsy. You can find it at my shop's name is Kiss My Calvins. I'll have the link in the description below, so feel free to shop and find some good thrift finds that I have found for you guys. So thank you guys for watching. Like and subscribe. I'll see you next time.